Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make macaroni salad at home without mayonnaise updated. Start by boiling pasta until al dente, drain and rinse under cold water, then toss with a light olive oil dressing. Add chopped vegetables, a tangy yogurt base, herbs, and a splash of vinegar. Chill for at least 1 hour to let flavors meld and taste before serving for seasoning adjustments. In this video, I will show how to make macaroni salad at home without mayonnaise updated. Measure ingredients precisely: pasta, plain yogurt, olive oil, vinegar, salt, pepper, and your chosen vegetables. Mix the yogurt and oil until smooth, then whisk in vinegar and seasoning to taste. Fold the dressing into cooled pasta and vegetables gently to avoid smashing. Finish with chopped herbs and optional cheese or seeds for texture before serving. If you are enjoying this video, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing easy recipes. Quick recommendation: consider the book The Simple Path to Wealth as a fun companion to simple living and sensible cooking. It can change how you think about money and everyday choices. Look in the description for the link and other deals to grab your copy, then click back to finish the recipe. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make macaroni salad at home without mayonnaise updated. After cooking and cooling the pasta, combine yogurt and olive oil into a creamy dressing, adding vinegar slowly and tasting as you go. Fold in diced vegetables and herbs, keeping the mixture light and airy. Chill the salad to allow flavors to marry, then fluff gently with a fork before plating to maintain texture and presentation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.